All right, I've procrastinated long enough and it's time to put this bike back together. I mean, she rode home fine, but is she okay? I don't know. I just bought a bunch of parts and I'm gonna stick her back together. I checked the frame extensively. I didn't see any cracks. Everything seems to be working, so let's see what happens, huh? All right, so here she is. This side ain't that bad. It's just the handlebars, because that's where we hit the truck. Fender we need a new fender, but we got somebody coming to help us with that because I don't have a front stand. Just a little body damage. We got seat covers. Exhaust, we haven't got one of those coming yet. We'll get there. It's I mean, it's functional. It just looks horrible. I'm trying to see if I can't find me a used one. Or a good deal. I was kind of waiting to see if one would pop up. And then this dude right here is what we're gonna do first. It's loose and it's bent. You see how it's bent? I don't know if you can see that. Oh God, dude. So I'm worried that, I don't know, I hope it's not broken off in there, hasn't damaged the threads in there. We're gonna start there. Wish me luck. These are RNG racing sliders. I didn't even know what kind they were because I didn't put them on. I guess this is gonna come out by hand. Oh, that's scary. That's so scary. Shine a light in there. There's something in that hole. Look at my hands shaking. Can you see my hands shaking? God dang, dude. I'm so nervous, y'all. Y'all don't even know. I think I got it. Oh, what the fuck that is? It's something they put in there to keep it from backing out, maybe? Well, before I do that. Okay. I know what's happening. I know exactly what's happening. I'm so fucking scared, y'all. Dude, I don't know, bro. I'm scared to go any tighter than that, dude. Ah, yes. Oh my God, thank you, God. Bro, that was nerve-wracking, dude. I thought that hole was like, I pictured all this being crooked, so I didn't know if I was cross-threading, and that's like the scariest thing I'm gonna do all day, y'all. I'm so glad my Bossolinas are here with me right now. I love you guys so much, dude. Look at this thing. See? So I wasn't sure if it was gonna go in there straight. I didn't know if all this was offset or what, you know? And it worked, dude. Thank you, my Bossolinas, for being here with me. You guys give me strength. Cause like I ain't no mechanic. I just a guy that's got tools. And that's fucking dangerous, cause we can fuck shit up. Do you see how I went from being quiet to me? That was, dude, I've been worrying about this all week. The next thing I'm worried about is this down here. But we'll see when we get there, you know? I don't know. I'm not fucking with the other side. I don't like messing with stuff like that if it's not necessary. All right, let's do the handlebars and see if we can get this thing rideable. And this one's got a little scrapage from when it hit the Tahoe. But honestly, bro, that one's staying, dude. I'm not messing with it. Oh yeah. Yo, if you don't know this, the right hand grip has left-handed threads. So you loosen it to tighten it. I watched a guy on a video sit there and struggle with that shit and could not figure it out. He never figured it out. He just thought it was stuck. It's not stuck, you're tightening it. Who would ever imagine that there's a left-handed screw on this bike? And it's the only one that I know of. Cluster gotta come off, everything's gotta come off. Ah, shit. Hey, there she goes. I bet you I can probably sand these scratches out if I polish hard enough. These things I just bought, but I got a new set come in the. Oh shit! Oh, that bitch ain't coming out. I got a new set in the mail, in the box. God dang, bro. Dang, neither one of them's coming out. This bars all pinched on the ends, hitting the ground. No, that ain't coming, dude. There you go. I'm gonna use the old fucking air compressor to take the grip off straight. There you go. Ready? Watch this shit. Woo! Here, let me show you how easy it goes back on. Alright? Oh crap, what are we gonna do? Well, put it back on there. Look. So for real, that's the shit, right? Watch this. Air compressor, put a little bit in there and it goes, it's gone. I don't know how good this one's gonna work since the throttle tube's broken, but it might. Yep, here she comes. That was easy. Look, this is why we need a new throttle tube. Let's do brake next. Wish I could listen to music. Ah! Dang, now I'm gonna have to paint it. Dude, I'm gonna have to paint it anyway. All right. You just hang out right there, buddy. I don't think this dude keyed these handlebars either. I think he just ground off the little nubs. He definitely did for that thing. Maybe not for the throttle though. He probably drilled that one hole and was like, fuck this. That hole ain't easy to drill if you don't have a punch. I'm taking a fucking picture of this. I know it's very clear what's supposed to be done, but I'm very stupid and I want to take a picture of it. All right, they did key that, okay, because you fucking have to. Good jobs, boys. Well, we just measure it from the edge of this one. Wherever it lands, that's where it goes. That's how we do it. I was just sitting there looking at that thing thinking, shit man, the throttle tube looks like it hangs off a little bit. So maybe it has to. So I'll just measure the other one and then wherever that one lands is where I'm gonna drill my hole on the new handlebars, I guess. Get this off of here. Oops. Boom. A little USB. I like using my little 1/4-inch ratchet. This thing's the shit. Nylon nuts. They're good when you put them on and suck when you gotta take them off. What else we got? Screws in there, I think. Oh, there it is. I'm just sticking them back in there for now so I don't lose them. I don't want to lose nor confuse any screws. Cause what? You get the blues. And that dude ain't coming off till these come off, so at least loosen them. Oh. I'm painting the whole bike anyway. This is fucking dumb. MTR1DER said she'd send me her Woodcraft clip-ons, but she's in Australia. She's awesome though. She traded her clip-ons for a regular pair of bars. I think her bike came with the clip-ons. And I imagine they're not very comfortable. They just look really awesome. Old and busted. Ah. Look at them. Let's compare them to the new ones. Bro, these things are bent to hell, bro. Watch this. But look at that, dude. These are the ones I just took off, and these are what they're supposed to look like. My hand was right here, and it took all of that, dude. My hand took all that force. Enough to bend the shit out of these things. Bruh. That's why my hand still hurts. New throttle tube. Came with the grip, which we're gonna have to take off of there. Maybe we should do that now. So they didn't put a center line on these things. I'm not sure how to tell if they're centered. I get a tape measure out and measure to the bend maybe. Looks like a little over an inch. So it is. Looks like I need to go that way some. Can't tell though, bro. Let's temporary stage everything. All right. I knew that bitch was sharp. I can't do this right because they fucking broke the tabs off, so there's no point in drilling holes where there's no tabs. They just ground them down. Remember, nothing was done right on this bike, so don't judge me. Judge the motherfucker that put this thing together. I mean, if it was me, I'd say it was me. I wouldn't have never changed the handlebars. I don't do shit like that. Put this other domino on there. All right, dude, that's fucking sweet, bro. New bar ends. Well, God knows when that thing locked up. The 9 locked up. So we're on to mirrors. I don't know, dude. I don't know what it lost. I'll find out later. My mirrors are, this is the thing that comes with a bar end mirror that goes in here, right? And then your mirror clips on that. This is the one on the side that was sliding. It didn't break. So this goes on there, and then your mirrors go around that, and then boom, there's your bar end, right? I took this thing right here, drilled it out real big so that I could run a bolt through it, and mounted it on these little risers that I bought on Amazon, and I put the mirror right there. Yeah, just like that. No. You get it. It goes like that, and then up, and then boom. So I got little stubbies. How's this look? Oh, this is gonna feel weird when I finally ride this bike. Oof. I wanna be scared like it's cursed or something. I know it's not. That shit ain't real, is it? Well, there you go, dude. Handlebars. God, even sitting on a bike in shorts, I feel stupid. Well, anybody who rides a bike in shorts is fucking stupid. Minnie would never do that. All right, dude, we got handlebars done. What else did we do? Oh, the slider. That was the main thing. We're gonna deal with all this body and paint next weekend. Hand update, hand's getting better every day. Oh, it still hurts to do that, but it's starting to look like a hand again. Like I can see my knuckle instead of all just poofy. But my pinky is even more swollen than it ever was. So I don't know, dude. But we're good. That's it for now. Thanks for hanging out while I did this. I don't even know if I'll post this. All right, love you guys. Thanks, man. For real. We're gonna get this girl back on the road. I'm gonna probably do the seat today. If I do, I'll make a video and give you that as well. All right, Bossalina out.